Start shouting. Yeah, perfect. Start shouting. Walk as slow as you can. Okay. Now for the second. Now keep walking. Keep rambling. Comfortably. Walk comfortably. Keep walking. And for the third, in the last scale.
Now,
Walk.
start running. Okay, go back.
Time for crawling. You know very well that how does a crocodile walk or motions. Right. Go ahead. Get your positions. Perfect. Now get ready for hopping. You know how does a kangaroo hop start. Hop.